Hi, my name is Appelhans and I am a Production Supervisor at Ball Aerospace. I've been in aviation for roughly 25 years. I grew up in the Littleton area in south side of Denver. I always loved cars. I loved things that went fast and things that were loud. There was a lot of family members that were in aviation. My dad always was a big pusher for aviation. He loved the industry. We had family members that actually were going back to post-World War II. When I smell jet fuel to this day, I associate that with happy times because it was, when I was growing up, every time I smelled jet fuel, it was, we were going on a trip. We were going to Mexico, we were going to Europe, we were going somewhere fun. I liked coming here. Yeah, I was learning stuff every day, but it was fun. It was stuff I wanted to learn. It was relevant to what I wanted to do and where I wanted to go. When I graduated, I had an opportunity to interview with Northrup Grumman, and they hired me. So I moved out there, and it was an incredible experience working on the B-2 bomber. However, my heart was actually in Denver, so I moved back here with my future wife, and that job directly led into an opportunity at Ball Aerospace. Working at Ball Aerospace for 23 years has given me some outstanding opportunities to work on some programs that I am exceptionally proud of. I work directly on the Mars rover, Deep Impact, Worldview, stuff that's making a difference in science and technology every day.